Hello everyone, welcome back to Leetcode Simplified. I'm Alan, and today we're solving Leetcode 70 clamping stair. How many distinct ways to reach level N if you take one or two steps at a time? Let me construct this beautiful staircase and we get down to business. This is the ground, level 1, level 2, level 3, and so on and so forth. Now, let's say you are standing at level 20. How many distinct ways could I possibly taken to get here, you ask? Well, because you just climb up from level 19 or 18, then just add the total number of ways for you to reach level 19 and 18. There are 6,765 ways to reach level 19, 4,181 ways to reach level 18. 10,946 is the number of ways for you to reach level 20. That's it. At any level N, the number of ways to reach there equals the number of ways to reach level N-1 and the number of ways to reach level N-2. Just add the previous two to find the next one. Sound familiar? Yes, this is just the Fibonacci sequence in disguise. How about the number of ways to get 17, 16, 15, you may ask? Well, we can find the answer by starting from this. One way to reach level 1, two ways to reach level 2, one step, or single two-step. Given the two base cases, we can find the number of ways to reach any level. 3 ways to reach level 3, 5 ways to reach level 4, 8 ways to reach level 5, and so on. Now, let's translate this logic into Python code. We use an interactive approach. No recursion, no memoization, no extra space. Just the best and most optimal solution. We already knew there is one way to reach level 1, 2 ways to reach level 2. Set variable A, number of ways to reach level 1. B, number of ways to reach level 2. At each level from level 3 to level N, set the new A equals to the old B. The new B is the sum of the previous A and B. After the loop, the final B will hold the number of ways to reach level N. Let's hit the submit button. Boom! Accepted. This iterative logic is efficient. Time complexity is O(n), 1 pass. Space complexity is O(1), just 2 variables. No recursion, no stack overflow. Just clean math based on how stairs can be climbed. And that's how you solve clamping stairs. Fast, simple, and clean. Fibonacci in disguise. Implemented with just a few lines of code. If this helps simplify the problem for you, give it a like and subscribe for more logical Leetcode guides. I'm Alan and this is Leetcode Simplified. Catch you.